First off, we are getting started with a vegetable broth. In that broth, you're going to put 6 pairs of vegetables. Carrots and celery, they're both stalks. Broccoli and cauliflower, they're both trees. And cabbage and spinach, they're both leaves. The next thing you're going to do with all those vegetables is put them in a big, huge pot with everything in it, including some water and vegetable broth, so you can kind of see what I got going in there. I got the carrots, the broccoli, the cauliflower, cabbage, and now I'm going to add the spinach and broth. So you can see I put tons of spinach in there. I just have it loaded with spinach, and the water is pretty low in there. But I put that in there, and then I'm going to spice it up with a mixture of spices that we use: paprika, cayenne, garlic, and salt. Just put a bunch in there. It is kind of spicy, but it'll be good. Next, we're going to add some oil. So we will oil that up pretty generously because we want this broth to go right through your system. You boil that for about 45 minutes, and then you drain out all of the vegetables and keep the liquid, and then that's your broth. You don't eat the vegetables. They've been sucked of all their nutrients, and it's in the water, so it should be good. All right, so this is the pot where all the vegetables were. I just put them in a strainer on top of a really large bowl, and then I pour the broth into a pitcher and then put it into a cup, and I will drink it. Here's the vegetable broth. I'm going to drink it. It's delicious. Honestly, this is my favorite part of cleansing because it's blasted with flavor and nutrients, and it's super yummy.